Alright, we're going to look at how to use the new Docent calendar. So to get to the Docent calendar, you want to start off by going to the Keep homepage. So that's keep.konza.ksu.edu. So here is our web page, and from there you want to go to Docent/volunteers on the left-hand side of the page. Once you're on the Docent and Volunteers tab, there's two different places you can go to access the Docent calendar. Jill's put a link right here at the top of the page for you so you can get to it simply. Or if you'd like, you can also use this link here that says Docent calendar. Either of those will take you to our new Docent calendar. Then from there, you want to put in your username. Your username is based on your first three initials, or your first three letters of your last name, followed by the first three letters of your first name. So I'm going to log in as Retta Kramer, and to do that, I'm going to put in the first three letters of her last name, and then the first three letters of her first name. Then the password is volunteer. Okay, the first page that comes up is the features. This section here is going to tell you all of the features of the new Docent calendar. So we've got a section where you can update your profile, which will tell us your contact information. So if any changes happen there, you could make changes directly to your profile. And then you'll be able to view the calendar and sign up for activities. You can also view a docent list of all of the docents. So if you needed to get in contact with another docent, you could find that information here. To learn about all of the features of the Docent calendar, you can look here, and there's kind of a summary of what we have available. Today, like I said, we're going to look at the calendar. So we're going to click the calendar, and that will bring up the current month. So you can see here that we don't have any activities scheduled for March, but that there is one in April. So to move and look through future months, you can use these navigation arrows here. So I'm going to click Next to go to April, and you can see we have several activities on the calendar for April. Once you find an activity you're interested in, for example, maybe you're interested in stream chemistry. You can see that we have one available at 9:30 on April 4th. If you're interested in that, you can click there, and it'll bring up this box that shows you more information. Here you can find out how many docents are needed and how many are enrolled. So we need 5 docents to help us out with stream chemistry, and currently we have 0 enrolled. The date is April 4th. The start time is at 9:30 a.m. and the end time is at 11:30. And then the What section has information that we'll be using here in the office. But if you're interested in it, it's here and available for you. Again, it tells you that the class is Stream Chemistry, that it's an SLTER activity. The reserver is the teacher's name for the day, so Greg Calaboda is the teacher on April 4th. And the group is from Clay Center Middle School. So if this looks like an activity you'd want to sign up for, you just click Sign Up. And it will take you to this new page. If there were docents signed up, you would see a list of them here. But as I said, there's 0 already signed up for this activity. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up to help. So I will click Sign Me Up. Once I click Sign Up, then it puts my name right here, and I'm signed up as Retta Kramer because that's who we logged in as. And she is signed up for the activity on April 4th from 9:30 to 11:30, and it's a stream chemistry. If you wanted to sign up for observations, the only difference would be is you would use this comment section, and inside the comment you could write observation. And then once you put your comment in, you can push sign me up. And that will let Jill and I know that you only want to do an observation. You're not comfortable yet being a lead on that, which is okay as well. So once your name is shown as a docent here at the top that has signed up, you can click exit. And then this box you can exit again. And from here you can go on to sign up for other activities, or you can move on to a different section. I do want to show a Bison Loop, so we'll do that next. On April 4th again, let's look at the Bison Loop that happens at 12:45. So I'm going to click that. So for Bison Loops, it looks like this Bison Loop needs 2 docents, and we're looking for 1 guide and 1 gate opener, and there's currently 0 enrolled. So if I was interested in signing up for that, I'd click sign up. And I could put the comment that I want to be a gate opener there. Or if I was interested in being a guide, I could put that in there as well. And then click sign me up. All right, and I see my name is there now. So I've been signed up for that activity, so I'll push exit. And again, exit out of this box. And from here we can continue to look through the calendar and find different activities that we're interested in signing up for. Or if you'd like to see all of the activities that you are currently signed up for, you can go to the scheduled activity section. So this shows all of the activities that I've got signed up for. And remember, I'm logged in under Retta Kramer's name. So it looks like we signed her up for stream chemistry, and then also a stream chemistry observation, as well as a Bison Loop. Now, if you sign up for something and you have something come up, or you didn't realize you have a conflict in your schedule, you can cancel your volunteer spot by clicking this trash can icon, and it says delete this row. You just want to make sure that you have the right activity. So let's say, for example, Retta only wants to cancel the Bison Loop because she has something going on that afternoon. She can click this trash can, and it says, do you really want to cancel this activity? And we'll say, okay. Then it says that an email has been sent, so that will notify Jill and I that you've canceled that, so we know you won't be able to attend. So you can push OK. And then you can see your remaining activities. If you have any questions or want to go over any of the information, you can email or call Jill or I at the office, and we'd be happy to help you out. But if not, then good luck exploring the calendar, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks.